Hi there, it's Graham and Shirley here from Sanji Adventures. We are currently on a fantastic gullet cruise around the Turquoise Coast here in Turkey, and we're just about to pull into the port of Dacha. Before we go any further, it'd be a great help if you could press the subscribe button for us. It's normally found in the bottom right hand corner of your screen. Tap it a couple of times and the logo should appear, and give it a press for us. That would be really great, thank you. Now from Dacha we took a walk to Eski Datça, which is a couple of miles inland. We've been looking forward to visiting Eski Datça for a long time now, and we're really looking forward to this. The village is renowned for old cobbled streets and old Mediterranean stone houses. The majority of these have now been fully restored to their former beauty. The cobbled streets are lined with souvenir shops selling traditional crafts and produce, cafes, bars, bistros selling traditional Turkish food and really good coffee. And they're great for soaking up the old Turkish traditional atmosphere and people watching. Eski Datça used to be at the centre of events in the local region, but gradually the modern town of Dacha on the coast with its large harbour has taken over this role. The advantage for Eski Datça means that it's kept its traditional style and charm and has become a must-go-to and see tourist destination. So please come along with us and enjoy this rather beautiful place. We really hope you've enjoyed our walk through the beautiful Eski Datça here on the Turkish Turquoise Coast. It's a truly lovely place and we highly recommend you visiting if you can. Thank you very much for watching and hope to see you again in our next video. And in the meantime, please don't forget to press the like and subscribe buttons, as this helps us develop the channel and create more videos like this one for you. So bye for now.